Alright guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. What we're going to attempt to do today is break down our Kunwu Padre and replace it with, I think, the right size bearings for skiffs. So first thing we'll do is we'll take it apart, we'll measure our skiffs, make sure that we've got what we need. I do have my double-sided finger bit just in case I need them on this body screws. And I've got my Get Good screwdriver with a few extra bits. I think all I'm going to need is a T8, so we'll go with that. But first off, I just want to thank the channel members. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And I want to thank anybody who comes through to check out the knife, my EDC content. It means a lot to me, and I really appreciate all y'all. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out, and it'll update you when I release content and go live, community posts, and things like that. So guys, like I always do, I'm going to try to hope this doesn't turn into a struggle bus video. And I'm going to just get into it, one pocket clip screw at a time. May have to go get my wee-high, thicky, stubby bit. Some of these screws are very Loctited. More body screw here. Spinning on both sides, so I'm going to flip over here. Body screw. Body screw. Body screw. And now, go back over here. All right, that one's not going to come out, but my pivot will. All right. Now we've got our pivot out, our Damascus collar in there. Let's see if this will lift off, which it will very nicely. Now what I am going to do, probably have to get my Knipex. Nope. I'm going to take this screw, run this back through here. Pop that screw in that side. Whoops. Yeah, just get a little hunky dunky there. And then we will pop one back here. Whoops. Those aren't going to do anything, but maybe that'll help hold that back spacer in place. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take out our pivot or our bearings. (1/16). See what our pivot is. 6 millimeter. All right, guys. So the bearings, as dry as the Padre is, all right. So I'll take these guys off. Stick this back through. All right, now the question becomes, do I flip my magnets, my washers? Of course. Flip those around. And then we'll get our original KPL. A little too much. Now we'll get out our skiff rocket rings or skiff bearings. These Kunwu bearings are solid, but we're switching to phosphorus. Keep those just in case. Put a little oil on our bearing. Got our internal stop pin. Now we'll take our KPL heavy and put a little glob right there. A detent track. A little glob on our detent ball. Go back to our original. Alright guys, now let's snap her back together. Just like that. Get our pivot cinched down. Come back to our body screws. We're going to have to use our finger bit to get these good and tight, but that's okay. All right, and the clip. First thing I'm going to do is get my finger bit. All right, let's do this finger bit. Finger bit. All right. So get her centered up. Dead nuts. Skiffed up. And guys, that is a very quick skiff upgrade for our Kunwu Padre. So right here on my package, I'm going to write Kunwu Padre. And then I will stick my perfectly good Padre ceramic bearings, even though they're in a different material. Get those out of the way, and now we've got our badass Padre running on skiffs. It'll only break in. Got it all the way tightened down. So that's it, guys. That is a skiff upgrade for the Kunwu Padre and Disassembly. I'll leave this thing up here, so if you guys ever have to take yours apart, just come to my page, go to my disassembly videos, my skiff upgrade videos, and there's a good chance I have skiffed the knife, or there's a pretty good chance that I've skiffed the knife that you're looking to skiff. Some of them are struggle buses, some of them aren't. Luckily, this one wasn't. Guys, thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you more than you know. Y'all's involvement in the channel fuels me on to continue to make videos. It's fun because you guys enjoy it. Guys, I love each and every one of you. I do ask, if you would be so inclined, look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.